Good morning and welcome to today's Market Outlook. How are you doing today? My name is Edmund and today is Thursday, 22nd of October 2020. So over the last three market days, we have already seen that the US dollar was weakening ever since Monday, and this was mainly driven by news of the US financial stimulus negotiations being carried out. So if you followed us on our Monday outlooks or daily outlooks, we would have noticed that on Monday itself, we were looking at the US House Speaker Nancy Pelosi setting a Tuesday deadline for progress regarding the financial aid. So this immediately triggered a drop of the US dollar, and looking that the US dollar was on a bullish trend last week, it found resistance, and yet Monday's news started to push down the US dollar. Okay, so again the trigger came on Monday regarding the financial stimulus negotiations. So Monday onwards, the news was there, and of course, on Wednesday, we also saw that there was progress being made regarding negotiations. And as early as this morning, this was further confirmation that the White House Chief of Staff, Mr. Mark Meadows, mentioned that the Trump administration, together with the House Democrats, are looking to seal a deal within the next 48 hours. Okay, bear in mind, the US dollar has largely reacted to the progress of the financial negotiations. So for this morning, it has gone into a consolidation and also a retracement. Okay, so with the US dollar sentiment being obviously bearish, we do see the UK pound on a Monday being bullish. On a Tuesday, it was consolidating, and for yesterday, the UK pound moved up from 1.294 levels all the way to a high of 1.3172. So yesterday was a 230 pip move up for the UK pound. Okay, and the moves came in the UK session over here at 9+5, 2 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time, and another one over here 15+5, 2000 hours, 8 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. Okay, so of course, moving on to the euro dollar. Euro dollar also showed tremendous strength against the US dollar, rising on a Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, going up a total of 175 pips. For gold prices has been on a horizontal and also on a bullish movement up on the trend line. And of course, yesterday, gold prices moved up from 1,910 all the way to a high of 1931. And the key move yesterday was that on the 4-hour charts, the target price of 1,931 was also forming a double top. And then after the gold prices has pushed back down about $20 to this morning's prices of 1,911. Okay, so there could be some resistance at 1931. However, if it does consolidate and push up above 1931, we are looking at 1954 as the next target prices. Okay, so looking at the UK pound, ever since it's come up to touch yesterday's high of 1.3170, the next target prices to the upside will be at 1.3257, and of course to the downside, if it does consolidate today, we are looking at a target price of 1.3092 and a further price of 1.3036. Okay, for the euro dollar, again, it has touched a high ever since coming up from the support levels, and the next target prices to the upside will be at 1.1925, and to the downside, we are looking for prices to possibly come towards 1.1821. Okay, gold prices. For gold prices, for the short term, we are looking at resistance levels of 1,925, and again, this morning it already touched a short-term support of 1,910. If this does hold, again, you could see gold prices coming back up to 1,925 levels. So for today, economic calendar-wise, Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey will be speaking at 5:25 p.m. And of course, we have the US unemployment claims data later on tonight. So yeah, so I hope you guys have a good trading day ahead. Please look through the PDF report if you do have time. It shows us the latest sentiment of the US dollar and of course the UK pound, gold prices, and not to forget the US equity indices. Okay, so I hope you guys have a good trading day ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next market updates. Happy trading.